Welcome to the profile of Dr. Rajiv Yadav. Dr. Rajiv Yadav is Assistant Professor in the Department of English at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Government Girls Postgraduate College Aliganj, Lucknow, affiliated to University of Lucknow. Academic qualifications: Dr. Rajiv Yadav is Master of Arts in English Literature and LLB from University of Allahabad. NET qualified and PhD from RML Awadh University. He is throughout first division from high school to postgraduate. Experiences: with over 17 years of extensive experience in teaching, research and administration, Dr. Rajiv Yadav spent 15 years as head of department. Specialization: he has expertise in Shakespeare in drama, Indian English drama translation studies and modern criticism. He holds various key positions in college administration such as NAAC Coordinator in charge Mukhyamantri Abhyudaya Yojana in charge Manav Sampada Portal in charge Industry Academic Collaboration in charge Online Education, E-Content and LMS Cell Coordinator of National Innovation and Startup Policy Coordinator Collaboration and Community in Research and Development Cell and Vice President of Institution Innovation Council. Apart from this, Dr. Rajiv Yadav have also contributed actively in various committees such as Student Council, Admission, Scholarship, Cultural, PM Usha, Institutional Development Cell, UPRTOU, EBSB Club, Indian Languages, Culture and Arts Cell, Naitik Mulya Samvadhan, Prasar Vyakhyan, Teacher Parents Association, Media, Career Counseling, Placement Cell. Under supervision of Dr. Rajiv Yadav, 4 PhD scholars have been enrolled presently who are working on different cultural and critical research in English literature. Dr. Rajiv Yadav authored and edited 5 books published by reputed national publisher. These are COVID-19, An Unprecedented Challenge Before Humanity, Understanding Environment Through Literature, Hamare Atal, MANAVTA, Rashtravad Evam Rajniti Ka Agradut, Volume 1, Hamare Atal, MANAVTA, Rashtravad Evam Rajniti Ka Agradut, Volume 2, Poetry, Shakespeare to 18th Century. Dr. Rajiv Yadav has authored 30 research papers in peer-reviewed and UGC care-listed journals, covering a diverse range of topics, including Chetan Bhagat, A Voice of Youth in India, Dalits in Indian English Drama, Gender Discrimination Portrayed in Plays of Vijay Tendulkar, Literature in the Age of Globalization, V.S. Napal's Half-a-Life, Diasporic Perspective in Amitav Ghosh, Culturally Responsive Higher Education in India, Environment and Human Values Through Literature, Gandhian Economic Thoughts, Cultural Cartography in Text-Screen Interface, Silence of a Woman, Matchsticks, Burqa, Plays of Vijay Tendulkar, We Can, We Are Women, Menstruation in Light of Ecofeminism, Body, Soul, and Spirituality through William Wordsworth, Happiness and Wellness through Literature of William Shakespeare, Pandemic and Feminism. Dr. Rajiv Yadav has written 5 research papers that have been published in full proceedings of seminars and conferences. These include Environment Education and Mass Awareness Through Literature, an eco-critical study of the plays of Vijay Tendulkar, Quality Assurance in Higher Education in India, A Reality or Myth, English Teaching in India, Importance and Challenges in the Global Era, Higher Education and Youth Empowerment, Issues and Challenges. Dr. Rajiv Yadav has authored 20 articles in various books and magazines covering a wide array of topics, such as Eco-Feminist Concern in Plays of Vijay Tendulkar, Sanskrit Vandmaya and English, Study of Literature as Cultural Commodity, in Global Era, Society, Culture, and Menstrual Taboos, The Note of Quietness, Happiness, Sad Music of Humanity, at the Time of the COVID-19, A Lotus of Hope, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Suffering, and COVID-19, Bliss of Being, Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Eco-Criticism, Youth, Social Media, and Chetan Bhagat's Select Novels, Indian Folklore, A Histo-Literary Overview, Poet Atal Bihari Vajpayee, A Social Thinker. Dr. Rajiv Yadav has developed content for online undergraduate and postgraduate courses in English literature at Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur. Dr. Yadav delivered more than 20 invited lectures in different national, international seminar, conferences, workshop, short-term courses, faculty development program, webinar and other programs on various topics including global connections, unveiling the Indian diaspora's transnational impact, Chauri Chora event, Indian democracy and sustainable development, literature of transforming India, making of modern Indian and subaltern morality, road and discipline, humanitarianism and NSS, entrepreneurship and innovation as career opportunity, steering in AAC process, gender and identity in modern Indian literature, exploring regional literature, mythology in contemporary Indian society, etc. Dr. Rajiv Yadav have presented more than 40 papers in various seminars and conferences. Dr. Yadav has taken some digital initiatives such as creation of YouTube channel with over 20 videos, content on Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Digital Library. Dr. Yadav organized 5 national seminar, 3 workshop and 1 international conference as organizing secretary, convener, coordinator on a various subjects such as legacy of Awadh, English literature, importance of literature, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, higher education, Indian knowledge systems. A 2-day national seminar organized on society, health and spirituality, shifting paradigms of physical education, the 16th to the 17th of November 2019 as organizing secretary. A 2-day national seminar organized on literature, science and environment, a comprehensive approach to human life, the 20th to the 21st of March 2021 as organizing secretary. A 2-day national seminar organized on Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee, an immortal herald of humanity, nationalism and politics, the 24th to the 25th of September 2022 as convener, 25th Annual Convention of Uttar Pradesh Government College Academic Society, and a 2-day national seminar organized on higher education in India, approaches, innovations and quality concerns, 20 and the 21st of January 2023 as organizing secretary. A 3-day international conference organized on an overview of Indian knowledge system, from glorious past to contemporary context, 16, 17 and the 18th of March 2024 as convener. Workshop organized on New Education Policy 2020, Enrichment of Indian Languages, Art and Culture, the 20th of August 2020 as organizing secretary. In the category of A seminar and webinars, he organized 7 A seminars and national and international webinars on various topics such as COVID-19, unprecedented social, cultural and medical challenges before humanity, impact of COVID-19 on Indian rural economy, interrelation of physical health, yoga and naturopathy in present context, Indian languages, Dekho Apna Desh, etc. Dr. Rajiv Yadav is member, Board of Studies, Siddharth University, Kapilvastu, and member, Research Degree Committee, University of Lucknow, Lucknow. He is also member of academic bodies such as English Language Teachers Association of India and UP Government Degree Colleges Academic Society, Prayagraj. Dr. Yadav worked as subject expert in UP Secondary Education Service Selection Board. Dr. Yadav also worked as member of some state-level committee and cell. First is State Online Examination Monitoring Cell. The Regional Higher Education Office, Lucknow established a monitoring cell for university examination in 2019-20 under its purview and gave him responsibility to head the smooth and proper conduction of examination in Lucknow University, Awadh University, CSJM University and Siddharth University with a team of 07 members. He led the team in the most positive manner. Second, Sustainable Development Goals Evaluation Committee to frame the roadmap for applying 07 SDGs in the Higher Education Department of UP. A team was formed under the guidance of the RHEO, Lucknow. Dr. Yadav had been one of the members of the committee dealing with GER and energy consumption in HEIs. Another UP Higher Education Legal Monitoring Cell from 2015 to 2018. Dr. Rajiv Yadav worked for the legal cell established in RHEO, Lucknow to monitor the legal cases submitted against the Higher Education Department and the Directorate of Higher Education. Dr. Yadav received award and honor by Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University Kanpur on Teachers' Day for his excellent work in teaching and national education policy implementation. He has taken some initiative in the department for the student. One is theatre group. During his tenure as Assistant Professor English at Indira Gandhi Government Girls PG College, Bangarmau, Unnao, UP, he started the theatre group to train the students for theatrical performance and prepared them to act in some street plays and 2 Hindi plays, first based on the story, Mandar, written by Munshi Premchand, and second based on Chief Ki Dawat, written by Bhishma Saini. Second initiative is English Literary Club. He has been instrumental for developing the English Literary Club in the Department of English and mentoring the students for giving their best in academic and cultural activities of the department and college. Third is peer group teaching. He has always focused on the students to be confident and self-motivated by being peer group teachers. Fourth one is departmental council activities. He plays a vital role in electing office bearers of the council, guiding and motivating them for performing their responsibilities in creation of positive ambience in the classroom and connecting links between teachers and learners. Last but not the least, ICT-enabled teaching. He enforces smart classroom teaching with ICT-enabled tools to make teaching more interesting and effective. Through his extensive and varied works, Dr. Yadav has made significant contributions to the fields of teaching English literature, strengthening culture, and promoting social issues. His writings not only reflect a deep understanding of the subject he explores but also offer fresh perspectives and critical insights that resonate with a wide audience. Whether delving into the nuances of ecofeminism, the cultural significance of literature, or the philosophical dimensions of happiness, Dr. Yadav's articles continue to enlighten and inspire readers around the globe. His poetic expressions are a reflection of his creative force. Thank you for visiting the profile of Dr. Rajiv Yadav.